Today I am reviewing the Android 14 multimedia head unit designed for the Audi A4 B8 and the Audi A5. This upgraded system, which I purchased from AliExpress, brings a complete transformation to the interior, offering modern features, smooth performance, and full compatibility with the original vehicle functions. This head unit features an 8.8-inch IPS touchscreen, which delivers bright colors, high clarity, and excellent viewing angles. You can choose between the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor or the MTK8581 processor, depending on your performance needs. The device is available with 4 GB or 8 GB of memory, and with storage options of 32 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB, or 256 GB. This range of options gives you flexibility for applications, music, navigation data, and more. One of the most impressive features is the dual system mode. You can freely switch between the original car system and the Android system at any time. All factory functions remain intact, including the car information display, the parking system, the original rear view camera, the factory radio, the original Bluetooth, the USB ports, and more. This makes the upgrade feel natural and fully integrated into the car. The multimedia unit supports wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, allowing you to use your smartphone for navigation, calls, messages, and music without any cables. The system also includes built-in GPS, with support for popular navigation apps such as Google Map, Waze, and others. Positioning is fast and accurate, making it excellent for daily driving and long trips. The head unit supports 360-degree panoramic cameras, including both factory cameras and aftermarket cameras. It also offers 2 USB ports, 1 TF card slot, and 1 SIM card slot for mobile data. With support for Wi-Fi and 4G networks, you can browse online, stream music, and download apps directly from the Play Store. For audio quality, the system includes a DSP processor, which allows you to fine-tune equalizer settings, adjust sound staging, and improve overall clarity. Hands-free calling is enhanced with the built-in microphone, and Bluetooth music streaming is clear and stable. The interface supports split-screen mode, multiple menu languages, customizable user interface themes, and various background colors. Everything can be personalized to match your preference and the style of your Audi.